Thank you so much for joining me today. Today we are in the community of Encino Estates, and you're going to see by the large land why they call this community the Estates. The home that we're viewing is by Anglia Homes. This is called the Entry. The Entry is a 3 to 4 bedroom home with a flex space. It's a little over 2,000 square feet, and the starting price is going to be in the high $300,000 range. Now, the one thing that you would like to know about this home and this community is that they have large lots. Most of their homes are located on 3/4 of an acre. Now, if you are looking for a community that does have a low tax rate, this home that is located in Dayton, Texas has a tax rate of 1.75. The schools that are zoned to this community are Richer Elementary, Woodrow Wilson Junior High, and Dayton High School. Now, if you have any questions regarding this community, this home, please leave a comment below. And if you don't know who I am Linda Blue, your new home consultant, helping you create the ultimate blueprint for all of your real estate needs. Please sit back and enjoy the tour and let me know what you think of this home.